Today we're out hunting rare Pokemon cards. We found some last week. Let's see if we can do it again. Alright guys, we are at Walmart and we have some Twilight Masquerade still in stock. $55. No one's gonna buy it for that price. I mean, maybe someone. $54.96 for Shrouded Fable, very silly. And $55 here for the Temporal Forces. Tropicos, still $120. What do we have up here? Whoa! Looks like maybe a fresh restock of Surging Sparks here. A lot of sleeved booster packs here. One Lonely 10, the D24. Ogerpon EX collection. You get your Surging Sparks inside of there, and you get your Stellar Crown. The Grand Adventure collection. Maybe my favorite one that's come out in a while. You have your Charizard EX collection here. Great promo, not great value, especially for $40. Houndstone EX, Stellar Crown inside, Twilight Masquerade. I mean, somebody's buying them. They're moving pretty quick. King Gambit in stock, and your Greninja EX. Hey, really cool promos here if you guys like those. Paradox Rift, 2 tins, and you got your Koraidon and Mirrodin. So if you like Paradox Rift cards or maybe Temporal Forces inside of those. Elite Trainer boxes for Stellar Crown. You got some of those in stock. Pretty nice. Bunch of packs of Stellar Crown. I think Stellar Crown is about to be picking up soon in your Knocked Out promo. Surging Sparks 10, just one in stock. Those are starting to get kind of hard to find. E24, you have your 2 Crown Zenith 10s there as well. It's back. They got the Tamagotchi. Just like you remember, guys. Oh, this is Gen 1, and this is Gen 2. Don't let your Tamagotchi die, come on. Alright guys, I think we might have found a very nice restock. Oh my goodness, what do we got here? Of course, the glaring win right here is the Alakazam EX collection in stock. Wow, crazy to see this again this week. There must have been something going on. There must have been a small restock of that or something. You have your Jirachi V here in stock. You got about 3 of those. Your Paldea Evolved. Wow, $44 for that. That is my first time seeing that in the wild. Let's have a little look. Here's what's inside. Pretty neat. I like those sleeves. 3 Pokeballs. What do we have? A24. 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 Very nice. You have your Galarian 10s. You probably have all 3 here. Yep, there's Articuno. So you have Articuno, Moltres, and your Zapdos there. What kind of boosters do we have up here? Twilight Masquerade? Whoa. That's pretty cool for $5. Zeraora V here in stock. If you guys are looking to start your battle decks. Some sleeves, of course. And that's it. It's nice to see. Oh, donut. Nah. Guys, they got Skibbity Toilet trading cards now. Are you serious? TV Man, Skibbity Toilet, come on, dude. Jujutsu Kaisen though, hey, that's cool. Union Arena. I don't think this is a good like investment thing, but it's cool. Let's go see what this Walmart has in stock. Lots of Surging Sparks here. The Koraidon, Mirrodin 10s. Crown Zenith. 2 blisters per. You got your 2 Shrouded Fables still sitting around. 1 little Pikachu tin here. These are really nice. I bought one of these a while back. I really like it, how it looks on the shelf. This, what is this? Raging Bolt EX tin? I'm gonna guess there's Paradox Rift inside of there. Ursaluna EX box, which we've seen a lot of. The Grand Collection Adventure. Yes, of course it is in stock. Only 2 though. Things are looking a little empty here. Let's check these Pokeballs out. D24, 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 and D24. I don't know if we're gonna have luck again, guys. But that's what's in stock at this Walmart. Hey, pretty good if you want Surging Sparks. There's quite a bit here. Whoa, hello. What do we have here? Lost Origin Elite Trainer Box. I know a lot of people are looking for these. $44. I guess $45. That is pretty sweet. Uh-oh. What do we have back here? Oh, wow. Okay. It's not completely opened. I really expected that to be open there. So here's what we have in stock over at this section at Walmart. You got your Jirachi V. with some, what do we have in here? It looks like Stellar Crown, Astral Radiance. I don't think that's Stellar Crown, but wow, Lost Origin. I've never seen this in the wild. Here we have some packs. The sleeves look really nice. Wow, very cool. Well, I will be leaving this for the next person to come along because I already have a copy of that. We have our Galarian tins here, our Moltres, Zapdos, Articuno, the whole set if you're interested in that. At this Walmart over here, what do we have for the Pokeballs? A24, of course. A24 and another A24. Let's check out this Sam's Club and see if they have any of that Crown Zenith in stock. Hey guys, it's not in stock here. How does this work? I give up. Goofy, what are you doing, bro? Oh, upgrade. Okay, let's pick it up. This is way more damage. Guys, I'm low health. Hold on, I gotta eat. All right, let's head on over to Target and see what we can find. Okay, let's check out the front side of this Target. Your Paradox Rift tin, of course. A holiday calendar. We saw some of those over there. Oh, big moment. Are we gonna find something other than a D24 or an A24? The answer to that is no. Give her knockout collection. We saw these last week. Nothing in there. Whoa, Surging Sparks. I haven't seen these selling. Whoa, $7. Well, that's definitely not Chibi in motion, but I bet these are close to $5 or $6, maybe even $7. What else do we have? The Ursaluna here. This, wait, what? I have not seen this here before. Cleaver X, or Cleaver V-Star. And it looks like we have Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, and another Lost Origin in there. Oh man, this might be a pickup. The cards in the pack will be going up in value over time because they're a little older now. So yeah, I would say this is a good deal if you see it. Lost Origins like $4.50, Fusion Strikes like $4.55. So you're thinking $20 there, and then you got your promos. I don't think those promos are going to be worth, $5. So this is like very well priced for the value that you get out of this. So this is worth picking up if you see it in the store. I will do, like I always say every week, love these promos. I'd like to pick up the Tropicos collection, but I just really don't have the room for it. We have our Charizards in stock, Ursaluna. All together, this Target is pretty well stocked. We've made our way over to Walmart. Let's see what they have in stock. Is this really where we're at now? Just another open tin. Is you can't have no candy till you finish your tub of toxic waste. You have your Jirachi V, which, okay, you have Astral Radiance in there. You have Obsidian Flames. Looks like Stellar Crown and Paldea inside of there. So, hey, not bad. That's not a bad pack there to grab. And if I was to grab anything, that is likely what I would get. This one's really Silver Tempest. That's what it was. I always forget. But yeah, Silver Tempest. But yeah, that's it. Found Luigi. Here he is. Let's keep him covered up. We don't want the authorities to find him. Simpsons in stock. You have Flanders, your Bort, your Cop, and your Homie. Well, this is new. So $4.97, and it's whatever this thing is. This big giant tub of things, and it looks to be all Stellar Crown. Yeah, that's all Stellar Crown. So that's interesting. I'm the Wicked Witch. I'm the princess. I'm the pineapple. These things might be okay for your Elite Trainer box. They're $6.50. It might be good to store them in. Do you guys use these from Walmart? It looks about the right size. Let me know down in the comments. Shrouded Fable, of course, still in stock in your Ursaluna and your Houndstone. Okay, it's interesting to see Twilight Masquerade in stock for $55. That actually might be a good pickup. You have your Shrouded Fable down here for $55, which is definitely not. They got Doctor Who magic now? I don't know about that. You got your Tropicos for $120, no thank you. Pretty wiped out here. You got some Stellar Crown packs here. Nothing here. These are certainly not going to be what we want. Of course not, of course not. This is the Astral Radiance pack at $7, or, oh, sorry, Lost Origin pack. But still at $7. That's probably a no-go for me. What is this? Now this is a good find. This is $20 here at Target, or it should be. You can get it $30 in mine, so that's usually worth picking up if you can find it in the store. So you have your 7 promo cards, which those are pretty nice. You can't see them here, but your Pikachu, Sprigato, Palmy, Pombo, Palmot, Tandemasse, and Mousehold EX. Yep, that's a lot of things and a lot of things to try to say fast. But yeah, if you see this in store, be sure to pick it up. This section of Target is also looking pretty barren. Battle Decks, Terapagos EX, nothing up here either. But hey, a few more of those, so that's not a bad deal there. Those are $20. Oh yeah, there you go. There's the sign there for them. This is just like an empty box, and there's no price even. Weird. What do we have over here? But check it out. I never thought I would see these actually in the wild. Silver Tempest, Astral Radiance, and our Brilliant Stars. And we're going to take them out and have a look at each, just because I have never seen these. Look at that. Very cool, very cool. Let's check out the next one. It's your Astral Radiance. And our Silver Tempest set. Wow. We're just missing Lost Origin at $39.99. That's a good deal right there. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know you guys are liking this kind of content as opposed to, like, you know, the finance stuff. Like, what do you guys want to see? Let me know down in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't. We're almost to 300, which is really awesome. And that's all I got this week. I will see you in the next video.